for my Okay, we're back. The braids are taken out. And don't ever make this mistake when y'all take your braids out. You got to brush it, okay? You got to brush it. I really like this pattern brush. It is just like very solid, and it doesn't like pull your hair. I always hold my hair though because I'm tender-headed anyway. But we're gonna comb this out so we don't got no naps when we go in with the wash, shampoo and conditioner. Oh, I love a good brush that can get through to my hair and my scalp. And this pattern one, Tracy, you know what to do. You know. Okay. Look at all this hair. Look at this. I gotta sweep this floor. One thing I hate is hair all over the place. Let's see how much hair. Good scalp brush. Hair growing back, y'all. Okay, back. Threw the hair away. Swept the floor. CJA's peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, so he's good to go watching Batman while we get into this wash routine. So y'all, we're trying R&Co. Oh, R&Co. Okay, this is like television perfect hair. Say perfect hair shampoo, perfect hair conditioner, and we got the dry volume spray to give you the volume. So you know back in the day they had the roller curl sets. I'm about to do that. I'm about to do a blowout, put some rollers in there and see what we get. See what's really gonna be happening. So I'll be back after I wash my hair. Oh, smells so good. Okay, wash the hair, y'all. That shampoo and conditioner had my hair feeling so good, light, fluffy, shiny, like squeaky clean. Gave me a squeaky clean finish. Smells good. Smell it. Smell it. Okay, y'all, it's time to detangle my hair, and I'm going to part it in sections, detangle it, and have it parted. Okay, so I got all my hair sectioned off. I got one out. I'm gonna show y'all how I blow dry. So we're gonna start. We're gonna use the Color Wow. And then we're gonna go in with the Clout Control Mini Hair Anti-Frizz Spray. Watch me work to protect it. I'm trying shit. Let me cook. Alright, I know I said I'd be back when it was sectioned, but this side is sectioned. This side I round brushed it with the Lange blow dryer. Round brush, love, love, love. So we're gonna work on this side. So I'm gonna take this clip out. I go in with the Color Wild Dream Coat. Also with the Numi Hair Clout Control. And then the Heat Protectant. Watch me work. Comb it with the pattern brush. My what?
That one. Let me see. Let me see, Mama. Yeah.
Go sit your butt on the couch. That's your favorite. Look how silky that is. Like, what? Flat iron days might be over. I'll be back on top.
Yeah, Mama.
Finish this side.
Mama, yeah.
This isn't your size. CJ, where the other ones at? You got some other ones over there?
Really trying not to poke
Keep
him.
them on. So cool, right? Ain't it cool? Look.
Oh, it's in the inside.
Yeah. Pretty cool. My stuff is scuffed up. Jeez, I just bought these. All right, no. Don't scratch them. She lip syncing real bad. I said.
Yeah. What you mean? She's
not even trying. No, the music is on.
I think she.
It's
It's
a regular song. She dancing. She got dance.
Are you singing with
Go get your socks, CJ. I am not singing green. I remember that green from that same show. You gonna like what I do though?
I got
You gonna like what I do? It's all just piano. It's no track.
feeling
I'm
right
just singing
here.
songs.
Put them on your feet.
Should be cool.
Mama.
Yeah.
Be nice.
Pants on you.
You like them?
And wine, get on my nerves.
Why you gotta whine?
Why you gotta get on my nerves? Cause he's the wind. That's how it was with you. Getting on your last nerve.
Not like that.
No.
Not until you got. I love this. I'm so cool, guys. I feel like the person I wanted to be when I was a kid. You know? What'd you say? I said I feel like the person I wanted to be when I was a kid. What are you doing? Always playing. See the vibes? The bracelet off of me. You're so funny.
My name's John Stewart.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep you from having any problems.
Look at other stuff, you know.
Maya. Christmas tree on fire. Y'all cute. You talking about the Christmas tree on fire? Okay, hold on. Let me get in there. Show them the Show them the details. Ooh. I got a show today, y'all.
Look at Kayla playing with that hair.
All right, let's go, guys.